Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review of Boult Audio Blast. It's a 10-watt speaker from Boult Audio. This is their second speaker that they have put out in the market right now. And the first speaker that they put out was Boult Unplug, which was an excellent 12-watt speaker. And now they have put out a 10-watt speaker called Boult Blast. So I got this speaker from Amazon for about $13.99, and guys, it's an absolutely awesome speaker, guys. It has crystal clear sound, nice bass, and it's an all over awesome speaker. So before we get into the sound test, let's see some features of the speaker. It's a plastic, the entire speaker is made up of plastic. There's a metallic logo of Boult in front, a metallic bold branding in front. On the top, there are play, pause, minus volume, plus volume, and mode key. At the back, there is this big passive bass radiator and some connectivity options, a micro USB port for charging, on and off toggle switch, USB for pen drives, a mic for receiving calls, and a TF card input. So enough talking, let's get into the review of the sound. So let's see how this speaker sounds. So guys, let's hear some music and then we'll talk. So guys, as you heard, the sound quality of the speaker is absolutely crystal clear, guys. There is deep bass and it's just awesome, guys. I mean, the highs, the mids, the lows, the bass, the treble is just right, guys. Boult Audio, you're doing a wonderful job of making absolutely brilliant speakers right now for the Indian market. And the battery backup is the best part of it. Bolt claims that the battery lasts for about 10 hours, but to me it gave about 8 hours of battery life at 100% volume and 9.5 hours at 80% volume. So the mark of 10 hours is quite close, but if you play it at 80% volume, man, this speaker is just awesome. The price is right, the sound is just awesome. What else do you need, guys? So, it's a Tech Dude Varun approved speaker. It's a brilliant job and a thumbs up to Bolt Audio from Tech Dude Varun. And I am just loving this speaker, guys. So, guys, this was my review, a quick review actually, for the Boult Audio Blast. I'll see you next time very soon. Subscribe to my channel, Tech Dude Varun. Give this video a like, and I'll see you next time. Take care and bye bye.